In terms of treatment, the basic treatment is usually creams and suppositories. So for bleeding piles, because it's quite inflamed, it's sore, it's painful, you are going to need a steroid-based treatment to reduce the inflammation and to help stop the bleeding as well. So usually over the counter, you might get anusol, which is the cream, and the suppository. Now the suppository is a small kind of tablet that pushes, into the rectal wall, while the cream is used more on the outside. But if you have bleeding piles, you find that anusol doesn't work. So you're going to need anusol combined with a steroid. So usually it's called anusol HC cream or anusol HC suppositories. These are treatments that you use morning, in the evening, and after every time you open your bowel. It is advised not to use it for more than 7 days because it contains a steroid, and a steroid can cause thinning and easy fragility of the blood vessels, which actually leads to more bleeding. In addition to creams and suppositories, you would benefit from cold compress or actually putting ice in the area. This not only helps to soothe the piles, but it also helps to constrict the blood vessels, which allows for the bleeding to be reduced. And in some cases, the bleeding actually stops. You will need to do this a few times during the day and also throughout the week. In addition to this, you need to change your lifestyle. So you need to eat more fibre, eat more fruits, drink more water, get rid of your poor diet, such as your burgers, your fries. These are all foods that contribute to piles as well. You need to avoid straining. So it's quite important that with your change of diet, your stools start to begin to get soft. So avoid straining as much as you possibly can. Take laxatives if needed. And also, for those who are lifters, like bodybuilders or construction workers, during this period, you need to avoid lifting as much as possible because you're putting excess pressure on the lower abdominal area, which is what causes your piles to reappear in the first place. If despite all these treatments, your symptoms are ongoing, the piles are still big, inflamed, you're still having bleeding, then you would need to see a doctor, because this usually means that you need further treatments, whether it's laser, whether it's rubber band ligation, surgery. They are all different methods for getting rid of piles, and your doctor would usually decide which is the best treatment for you to have. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share, like, and comment. Thank you very much.